Is this one of those for a TikTok video where you put a Mentos in there and it explodes and it launches the 2-liter across the room?
No. What we just have here is the demonstration of the tornado in the bottle, which the kids love. Very simple demonstration to make. All you have to do is take 2 empty 2-liter bottles, put some water, perhaps with some food coloring or glitter in one of the bottles, and connect the two. At the tips, give it a little bit of a swirl to get it started. And then you have a tornado in the bottle.
Wow, that is cool looking.
Simulated for kids who are interested in tornadoes and hurricanes and other things like that.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Thanks for stopping by.
You bet. And how can folks keep up with the National Weather Service online and on social media?
If you were to go to our website, www.weather.gov/HUN, that will take you to the local Huntsville National Weather Service office website. And you can go there and find information on our website, as well as information about how to follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter.